So I've got a very old and cool little lever lock. There's actually 4 levers in this, and it's only a small little lock. And as you can see, there's a military number on there, and it was made by W.M.Pinson Son. In fact, I'm going to zoom in and show you this because it's a really cool lock. There you go, look, W.M.Pinson Son Ltd, 1888, made in Willenhall, which is on the outskirts of Birmingham, where I come from. There's a military number. And you're probably not going to be able to see in there, but there is actually 4 levers in this little lock. Let me show you the key for it as well. That's the bitting on the key. So it is a really cool old lock, and it actually works really nice. Just show you the bolt inside. It does come across, doesn't come across that far, but it comes across enough to lock it up. And it does fully throw the bolt. Let me zoom back out now. So that bolt is fully thrown now. And you can put a tension tool in it. And you can force that tension tool as much as you want. And you're not going to open it, you're going to have to pick it. But to pick it is quite tricky because there's hardly any room in there. And like I say, there is actually 4 levers in there. But I have done it. So I need to put the pick wire in. Then I need to bend it round. We're in. Like I say, it's ever so tricky to pick this. Even though it's a simple little lock, you have to put the wire at an angle to get underneath those little levers. So I'm going to do it in my hand. You're not probably going to see a great deal. But I've got tension on now. Let's see if I can do it like that. And basically you have to put the wire underneath the levers to get the angle. I'm getting a little bit of movement. Once you get a few of the levers up, you can actually sort of pick it in your normal position. But yeah, what a cool little lock. What a tricky lock to pick. Yeah, we've got it. So yeah, isn't that cool? I love old stuff, I do. Just showed it's still fully working. So the bolt come across. Again, it's dark in there, you can't see a lot. But yeah, I thought I'd share that one with you. Obviously not hard to pick really, but just tricky because there's not a lot of room in there. Anyway, that is a cool W.M.Pinson Son 4 lever lock made for the military. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try it a bit.